Last week we learned these Shona verbs: kufamba, kumanya, kutamba, kudya, kunwa. This week we are going to learn 5 more Shona verbs. Tari, how do I say speaking in Shona? Kutaura, it means to speak. Kutaura, that's a cool word.
So I can say Tari na mia muri Kutaura?
Exactly!
Say it after us.
Kutaura, Kutaura, Kutaura.
What about looking in Shona? Kutarisa.
Brilliantly in Mia. So I can say Ndakatarisa li.
Yes!
Yeah!
Say after us. Kutarisa.
Kutarisa,
Kutarisa.
Kutarisa.
Who can say what I am doing in Shona? Kunyora.
Wonderful, Lee. Writing in Shona is Kunyora. Kunyora. Thank you.
Nice one.
Say after us. Kunyora.
Kunyora.
Hey, that was fun.
What does it mean? It's writing. Who can say what I am doing in Shona?
Kuseka.
Correct, Olu. Laughing in Shona is Kuseka.
Say after us. Kuseka. Kuseka.
Guys, what is learning in Shona?
Kudzidza.
Brilliant, Mia. So I can say isutiri kudzidza Shona, meaning we are learning Shona.
Ooh, the Shona wizard did it again.
Say after us. Kudzidza.
Kudzidza.
So today we learn these Shona verbs: Kutaura, Kutarisa,
And Kunyora, Kuseka, and Kudzidza.
Wait! The next Shona lesson
Is even cooler. Please don't miss it. It's going to be great. To help us keep growing, please like, share, and subscribe to the Shona Squad.